Welcome to TrendXTech. If you've ever wished for a ride that's more stable than a bike, more fun than a scooter, and way more practical than a car for short trips, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best electric tricycles you can buy in 2026, and trust me, these e-trikes are changing the game for commuting, shopping, cruising, and even long-distance rides. Whether you're a senior looking for extra balance, someone hauling groceries every week, or just want a comfortable electric ride without worrying about tipping over, electric trikes are the perfect solution. They offer better stability, higher cargo capacity, and a much more relaxed riding experience, without sacrificing power or range. In this video, I'll walk you through what makes each electric trike special, who it's best for, and why it deserves a spot on this list. I'll also highlight the key features you should actually care about, not just specs on paper. As always, all product links and deals are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices anytime. And if you enjoy honest, easy to understand tech breakdowns like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to TrendXTech, and hit the bell icon so you never miss what's next. Mooncool TK1 Folding Electric Trike, best for smooth handling. The Mooncool TK1 Folding Electric Trike feels like that easy, stress-free ride you hop on when you just want to enjoy the road without overthinking anything. Right away, the smooth handling stands out, especially for riders who value balance and control over aggressive speed. Powered by a 500-watt electric motor and a 48-volt removable battery, this trike delivers steady assistance that's perfect for daily errands, neighborhood rides, or relaxed cruising. The fat tires add extra grip and confidence, making the ride feel planted even on uneven pavement. Pair that with 7-speed gearing, and you've got flexibility whether you're riding flat streets or gentle inclines. One of its biggest strengths is practicality. The built-in rear basket is great for groceries, backpacks, or small cargo, and the folding frame design makes storage much easier than you'd expect from a 3-wheel ride. Disc brakes help keep stops predictable, which is especially important for new or cautious riders. This trike is best for riders who want a simple, comfortable electric tricycle that focuses on stability and smooth control rather than extreme performance. If you're easing into the world of e-trikes, this one makes the experience feel natural and approachable. But if you're looking for more power and longer range, the next trike seriously steps things up. HJM Trihauler Pro, best for power and long-distance rides. The HJM Trihauler Pro is built for riders who don't want to hold back. This thing is all about power, range, and confidence, especially if long-distance rides or heavier loads are part of your routine. At its core is a 500-watt motor with 1000-watt peak power, which means hills feel easier and acceleration feels strong without being jerky. The real highlight, though, is the 48-volt 13-amp-hour removable battery, delivering up to 50 miles per charge, making it ideal for extended rides or full-day use. Stability is excellent thanks to the advanced rear differential system, which allows the rear wheels to rotate independently for smoother turns. Add in hydraulic disc brakes, and you get controlled stopping even when the trike is fully loaded. The 20-inch all-terrain tires handle city streets, paths, and light trails without drama. The folding aluminum frame makes storage surprisingly manageable, and the large front and rear baskets turn this trike into a cargo hauling machine. Seniors, commuters, and anyone running frequent errands will appreciate how balanced and predictable it feels. If range and power matter most to you, this trike delivers, but wait until you see what's coming next. Addmoter Triketan M330 Electric Trike for Adults. The Addmoter Triketan M330 is where premium engineering meets serious performance. This is the kind of electric trike you choose when you want power, advanced tech, and long-range capability all in one package. It's driven by a 750-watt rear motor with 90 Nm of torque, giving you smooth acceleration without wheel slip. Combined with the 48-volt 20-amp-hour removable battery, this trike can reach an incredible up to 85 miles of range, which is rare in the e-trike world. Plus, it's UL certified, adding peace of mind when it comes to safety. What really makes this model special is the 3rd-generation torque sensing system, which responds instantly to how hard you pedal. That means the ride feels natural, efficient, and less robotic. The rear speed differential improves cornering stability, while the front suspension smooths out rough roads. You also get thoughtful extras like integrated lighting, parking brakes, and a large accessory bundle right out of the box. This trike is ideal for riders who want a high-end electric tricycle for daily riding, fitness, or long adventures. But if you're on a tighter budget and still want big features, the next pick might surprise you. Meetone Breeze Folding Electric Trike, best budget pick. The Meetone Breeze Folding Electric Trike proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get serious features. This trike is packed with value and comfort, especially for seniors and mobility-focused riders. It comes equipped with a powerful 1,200-watt motor and a dual battery setup totaling 35 amp-hours, delivering an impressive up to 100 miles of range. That alone puts it ahead of many higher-priced options. The fat tires and front hydraulic suspension help absorb bumps, while the semi-recumbent seat with backrest delivers next-level comfort. Safety is a big focus here. You get triple hydraulic brakes, a rear differential, reverse driving mode, and even parking assist features, all designed to make riding easier and safer. The low step-through frame and our 150-pound weight capacity make it accessible for a wide range of riders. With massive front and rear baskets, this trike is perfect for shopping, commuting, or relaxed cruising. For the price, it's hard to beat the combination of comfort, power, and features. And finally, let's look at another strong option from a familiar name.